Our last linear speed drill is going to be resisted running. In set one, we're going to do resisted skips. We're going to take a rest, and then we're going to contrast that back for a minimum of 30 yards. Set two is going to be resisted running. And in resisted running, it's going to be lighter on set two. We're going to rest you, and then we're going to contrast that by again sprinting you out for a minimum of 30 yards. Our last set in set three is going to be resist you a lot harder. Okay? We're then going to rest you and contrast you out by sprinting you back without resistance for 30 yards. Always, always contrast from resistance to non-resistance. Resisted running focuses mainly on stride length, the distance between the strides that we do. We like using NZ's turf cords. These belts here are padded and easy to control. They're easy to put on and take off. They have a strap back here with a good D-ring. We use their turf cords here that have a safety mechanism inside the bungee. But the benefit of using these bungees is that we get a good constant resistance all the way through. It's not like using just a straight rope. You see all our athletes have this on. The big thing that we want to focus on is making sure that that D-ring is in the direct center of their back. Okay, all of our athletes there in the back put their hand through the cord and then grab it, both cords there. That is the safety feature of being able to use these cords, which we take one cord and double it up. Our first focus is going to be what's called resisted skips. Guys, on resisted skips, we are going to make sure we concentrate on keeping a good acceleration lean, and we're going to make sure that we drive the knees high and then snap the leg right back down. It's going to help us focus a lot on that stride length. Normally what we would do after that is to immediately take off the belt and have the athlete sprint out without resistance. That is the key. It's called a contrast. Good form and technique. Here we go. Chris, ready? And go. Aaron, go. Matt, go. Now what we're going to do is going to give a lot of resistance. Let's use both hands. Let's use our heels to get them back. And let's challenge these guys for 20 yards. Head up, chest up, good running form, guys. Keep those knees high. This is exactly what we would do after any type of resisted activity. You have got to contrast and go immediately into the drill without the resistance.